Focus. To set the focus in the iPhone native camera, tap on the subject. You want to be in focus. The camera should work out how far away the subject is and adjust the focus to that distance. iPhone 13 Pro has a cinematic mode which automatically blurs out the background to bring the focus to the subject. Open the camera app and slide to cinematic mode. Tap the arrow button to display adjustments options. Tap the F symbol, then drag the slider to adjust the depth of field. Tap the 1x button to zoom in. Tap the button again to switch back to wide. Tap the exposure button, then drag the slider to make your image brighter or darker. You can turn the camera light on if you tap the flash button, then choose from auto, on, or off.